BA music producing course at the University of South Wales is designed for the modern music producer. Music production has gone through a revolutionary change. You are actively involved in the composition of songs. Producers now are creators of music as well as facilitators and collaborators with artists. This course is designed to embrace that. The staff here have worked all around the world in a variety of different jobs within the music industry. You're in the centre of Cardiff. There is a vibrant, incredibly diverse music scene here. We see students not only working as music producers, but working in the music industry in general. They will work for record companies, they will end up working in the live music industry in Cardiff and beyond. They develop skills which set them on the road to a career wherever they decide to go in their lives. We are creating modern producers for the digital age.